When attaching a modern pergola post to a concrete footing, the goal is to make sure that your pergola post is not affected by any seasonal movement in the patio that's around it. To do that, you're going to want to consult your local building codes and determine the proper frost depth for your area. If frost is not a problem where you live, we recommend a minimum of 3 feet. So here on the table, we've made a mock-up 12-inch round concrete footing. And the goal when we're all done, and this is attached, is that your vinyl post sleeve fits over top of the mount and sits directly on the top of that footing. Then when you do your patio around it, you have room between the bottom of the paver block and the top of the footing for a sub base, and your patio can come in at a height just like that. That way, if it moves up and down seasonally, that pergola post stays right there. So to attach your post, we recommend a 3/8 inch diameter by 3 inch long Tapcon. This Tapcon set with an impact. We make the hole with a hammer drill. So make sure that's centered. Make sure to plumb and level your post with a torpedo level and composite shims, and put in all the rest of the bolts all the way around it.